Got mail. Junk. Mail. The hell is this? Future motion sending me stuff? That's kind of wild. Oh, that's a cool little thing. Oh, the XR Classic. That's tempting. That's tempting. I think I gotta consider that. That might be really cool. Cool. What the hell is this now? Okay, what is this? XR Classic. That's cool. But think of this. What the hell is this? Build the VESC. XR Classic. Or build the VESC. Oh man, I gotta do some thinking. Where did this come from? I don't know. Interesting. Decisions. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. I mean, the XR Classic does look pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You know, you can ride it right out of the box. Building a VESC, that's gonna be a good amount of work. But I'm gonna get way more bored out of it. And it's gonna be, you know, I'm gonna have a real relationship with this board. Decisions. Back and forth we go. Which one do you guys think I should do? Decisions. Time to call my guy.
I don't understand.
You don't want to get mixed up with a guy like me. I'm a loner, Daddy.